ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Menteri Katanat Puli Putih ke Sorkar Jella uba lakmen rembui hak syitrik ubnai nailur arajar arpway ula IT ke sanction letter syaki bor penyat jong ke Jaintia Eastern College ke badan hak Kleriat East Jaintia Hills District na ke benta bakin yono ya ke Tulop ke Bapura na ke Sorkar Lyngba ke People's College Scheme. Ia kini ke sanction letter Menteri Katanat Puli Putih ula IT ke jingelang bala sakhi lang da Menteri Katanat Social Welfare uba Kermen Shilla nang tadi UMLA jong ke Sutengah Saipung Constituency uba Shit Lang Pale Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Jaintia Hills District uba E Karmalki uba R Raptham uba Dayu Education Secretary jong ke Sorkar Jilla ki Officer Sorkar ki Nonghikai bat kiwei Kat kum gajing yatho jong principal Dr. Pervision Nongtrei yakni ke college la seng haus nem kat khandai spa khandai puar daki katto kat nengut ki rangba ki badan hapo ka shatri jong ke society but how new snem hi la sedang mardor ya ka pre university course ha ka art stream but how snem kat khandai spa khandai pulai la plepat ya ka 3-year degree course ha ka art stream Haus nem kat kandai spa kandai pu perapat la play ya ke Ignu Center Study but tang hadin katto kat nisnem kata haus nem arhajar saw arhajar san kani ke college kalayo ya ke jingito na ke Sorkar Jella but na ke University Grants Commission hapo ke section 2 bracket F but 12 bracket B. Shushu Dr. Nongtrei uliat huru baha ka basdang jong kani ka college ka jingdon jong ki samla puli ka long tang henru phongut bat ki Nonghikai ki don tang henyongut henrei mentapat ka jingdon jong ki samla puli kala roy syaka saus pangut bat ka jingdon jong ki Nonghikai ha ki pratali ki department kalong hadu lai pusangun.
Before I hand over this letter to the governing body, the order read, Office of the Director of Higher and Technical Education, Mekhria Shillong, approval of appointment of teaching and teaching staff in the People's College, order under the authority comment of letter number education 181/2017-36, date 24/8/2021, the appointment of the following teaching and non-teaching staff have been recruited by Jaintia Eastern College, Kleriat, to the college sanctioned post prior to 31st/12/2019 are hereby approved with the effect of 1st September 2021 in the pay scale of the state pay matrix as indicated in each of the following as admissible under the government rules. He shall be absorbed under the government sanctioned post at the lowest of the scale of pay. She will be brought under NPS from the date of his/her appointment, and the service book are to be opened from the date of being absorbed in the government sanction post. The governing body shall abide the rule of clause. So the post sanction is 1 for principal in the level 18 and 26 posts in the level 15 for lecturer and 1 post library assistant in level 5, UDA in level 8 and 2 in level 1. Thank you. I come purposely to this college. Number 1, to fulfill the aspiration of the people of Jaintia Eastern, of the East Jaintia Hills District, to have the college sponsored by the government. Number 2, to recognize the hard work of the teachers of this college by absorbing them into the government People's College scheme, Grant Aid scheme. Number 3, to urge, which is very important, to urge upon the governing body, the teachers, let us rededicate ourselves to work more for the upliftment of the education in the district. If East Jaintia prosper, Mekhria prosper. If Mekhria prosper, India prosper. If India prosper, the universe which we live, the world we live, will prosper. Nothing is small, everything is big. So today is a big. For higher education, we have a plan, a commitment to the people that Shillong Engineering College, if we get the permission from AICTE, we will start next year. College of Architecture and Planning in Tura, we will start next year. Patharkhma College, we will start next year. Ramjan College will start next year. We will do more. Yes, but not enough. We have to do more. And for the school education, first time in the history of Meghalaya, that at one go, we spend 109 crore for the basic infrastructure, where more than 200 schools will be benefit for schools building. Like here in the district, Rambai Secondary School and some government LP school. And last year also, we do, and we will do more. And when we talk about the quality education, we need to train teachers. We need a quality teachers. That's why more than 1,000 teachers, assistant teachers LP school, we have appointed this year. And today, last few days, there is a circulation in the media that education in Meghalaya is poor. It's very bad. Because this year, none of the teachers in the state get the national award. Whom to blame? Now, a selection of national awardee, it can be self-selected. From the 1st of June till 19th of July, if I remember correctly, this year, application has been floated for the people to apply, and the jury will shortlist, and then interview is conducted. And unfortunately, that none from the state of Meghalaya got the national award. If we try to improve a quality education by appointing the teachers, the quality faculty, people will criticize us. But you know, education now, it is a very, very dynamic. Teachers, you have to upgrade yourself. Teachers, you have to reinvent yourself. So you will never fail your duty to give a true education to your student. And many years ago, there are 200, 300 national awardee in a year. This year, only 44. And you know, many states have missed out. Uttarakhand, where is Dun School, Welham School, all these schools, not a single one. But this is open our eye that spoon feeding has gone. We have to work hard.
Kata dang ensul li school building ki idau yo ai ki wa kos hado lebhau nyau hado so lak the sudli santli dau yo is Giant Hills te gani do hard work yong sar kate na purdi ki khinde li ki badau pan Garo Hills le dali Khasi Hills le Giant Hills le dali kini to osang men bau ong na out of night mo khinde dali art li to ne usar da announce khwat yong ngai pi Waka Giant Eastern College man waka win ko yo nong kong te isaw kumeni but saw so wrong isar hado kate yakini ki yara pyong pi but next game yo le wadai por chi por pi dong yara chu pi I ha jing em kam yong.
Let me now brief you on the journey of Giant Eastern College. To start with, the Jaintia or the Society for Higher Education, which is a non-profit organization established in 1992 with the motive to bring college education within the reach of underprivileged youth and deprived parents of this area. The society initiated to establish a college at Feria in August 1992 by the name Jaintia Eastern College. Jaintia Eastern College, as a co-educational institution, started with 60 students and 7 lecturers at pre-university course in 1992, and it was upgraded to undergraduate degree course in Arts and Commerce in 1993 and 2011 respectively. And the present enrollment is 383 and associated with 35 assistant professors and 8 non-teaching staff to assist the college activities. And majorities of the students enrolled in this college are coming from financially weak background, and also most of them are the first generation learner. So the college continuously worked so hard to maintain its names in the field of higher education, not only in this district, but in the whole state. It is affiliated to the Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, and recognized under Section 2F and 12B of UGC Act 1956 in 2004. And it was accredited Grade B by NAC in 2016. And this college was brought under financial match of Government of Meghalaya under the scheme loan, lump sum grant in aid in 2004 with an amount of rupees 35,000 per month. And it was raised to 1 lakh by the present government under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Minister.
Katitle yang poetry, lapan urlang. Kak handai spa, handai poa, kejat sengi hang ne lawan syai kedar. Kikon kathan ban om sa biet, lasang Jaintia Eastern College. Hapo jingyalam umaphe, college koroi kasan kamer. Lambat Nongtrei lang Nonghikai, layok bansai buon klur pernai. Kisnam kia sengi kitelun, bansa kumju om dan bahun. Niwat kila wat kilenti, basorkar kan itu yangi. Arpo hundai tendi kisnam, kalat babaha ngimla bansyam. Ngisuyai kerpat tang hublai, bun pli kala bun le isnai. Chisien sorkar kalapat sengo, basyan kan saay bam dok syong. Henry imat kam syung poyo, niha bangsa duk tung terkong. Buan kisnam jengkermen ledu, imat syathong nyemla poisyo. Daitat huar hajar khatra, sedang wan kandiat kijeng kelah. Lyngba kemai di HTE, la sedang rahambiang mensiam jongi. Hemen rangba di piwalang, ukdau lenti, ukdau jengkang. Kumju mai sorkar MDA, kakham nyokor pule dangle, kasos kular baskham kaai, la khamat syangi, syan kan sapai. Hu arpo la pembena, da MDA sorkar jela, bahkan seitu no yangi, lambat kiwe iprateli. Kita kijeng kular barok, yai kami lenti lanongin yor. Daitat haduk kane kesengi, bak hiwan ra daladehi.